I've been selling real estate for about 17 years here. It has been very hard to please me when it comes to finding like the right property, the right house, the right lot, the right location. It just so happened that this one opened up. The previous owner was Ed Ash. He was 80-something years old when he passed away, and this was his abode during that time. But everybody knows him as a little ornery old man who started the first real estate company out here and then went on to start the first Association of Realtors, which I am the president of this year. So when I walked in, it was pretty overwhelming with how bad it was. There was a family of rodents that lived here prior to us acquiring the house, and they had left plenty of their evidence, which was pretty disgusting. It was just very dated, very dark, no lights, very drab, very depressing. But that view was just taking my breath away. It's like I saw straight past it with 100% clarity of what it was going to look like in the end. And Amanda was like, "You've lost your mind. Like, we're not doing this. Like, I cannot believe that you want to do this." And I was like, "Just trust me." And she was like, "We're doing this." So, yeah, here we are. Any renovation is just like a good challenge. It's a lot of fun to take something and make it new. I think that's why artists love what they do. I wanted to see it come to life, what I saw past, and make what was old new again. It was daunting at times to take it and make it more modern and keep a lot of the character. So everyone that sees it, that saw it before, especially the neighbors, are like, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe that you've turned it into this." It was just very masculine and very closed off and dark, and it just opened it up. It's just amazing what paint does. Being in a lake home makes you think more of the people that you're with, your family, your friends. You have the opportunity to have everyone over, everyone together. You can do that in any home. It's just that there's some peace that comes with the water, and there's a gentleness to it that gives you, I don't know, a softer spirit, a more thoughtful heart, things that, we just take for granted. You seem to slow down and pay attention to, focus on. Decorating any home for the holidays, if you love Christmas, is joyful. This one in particular, it's like I got my dream. The reds pop, the lights twinkle from the water, all the windows. It's just been really joyous to decorate, and I'm so excited to have all of my family here. Like, everybody can come here and enjoy a lake home for the holidays. I mean, how many people get to say that? You have just a better sense of who you are, better sense of peace, a better sense of family, a better sense of togetherness, less commercialism. I think that if COVID taught us anything, it's that our people matter, and we want as much time with them as we can get before it's too late.